This week, I'm back at Founders Veterinary Clinic in Brea for some tips and some ideas about some alternative treatments for pets. Professional. Hi guys, it's Cindy, and I'm here with my friend and my own personal veterinarian, Dr. Zempo. She's the owner and veterinarian at Founders Vet Clinic in Brea. Now, talk about supplements. That's another thing that, I love that you're on top of. And first of all, I mean, your philosophy I love so much because it's about wellness.
Yes.
It's not about,
care.
yes.
We deal with illnesses, however, we like to prevent them before they happen. Lean body weights are very, very important. They do get arthritis sooner if they're overweight throughout their life. So, that's really important. The weights are important.
Which comes back into play with getting those annual checkups.
Yes.
So your vet is monitoring that, right. And also, some supplements rather than going straight to prescriptions and pharmaceuticals.
Right.
Let's talk about maybe some natural supplements.
Supplements, good diets, healthy home cooking, healthy, well-rounded diets are important. Again, leaving them slim throughout their life really does make a huge difference. Athletic, exercise, all of that.
Exercise, it all comes back to exercise, doesn't it?
Food
and exercise.
Healthy diet and exercise.
And then supplements for particular things. I know, like arthritis.
Yeah.
What are some things that you recommend for that?
We have supplements, glucosamine sulfate supplements. We have other herbal supplements that will help. But it again goes back to keeping them lean, athletic, healthy. But everybody does at some point get arthritis, so we have supplements, we have laser therapy, we have acupuncture.
The laser. Oh my gosh. First of all, I'm such a believer in the lasers.
Me too.
Remember a couple years ago, Cooper came in with that hematoma on her ear?
Yes.
And that was a couple years ago. She was 10, which now she's almost 13, which freaks me out how old she is. But I didn't want to do surgery on her. And so poor Dr. Zempo's like, well, we could try the laser. And 3 or 4 laser treatments, and it was gone.
It's amazing for healing purposes. We use it for wounds. We use it for arthritis. I even use it on myself because I have chronic back pain, and it's amazing.
Now, what exactly does the laser do, and why does it work?
It helps bring oxygen to the area, opens up blood vessels, so it allows for healing cells to come into the area, and then it gets rid of all the toxins, opens up the lymph vessels, again, feeds the area to try and help the body heal.
So it helps the body heal itself.
Instead of using drugs.
With the wrinkles at all?
No wrinkles.
I try. And what have you seen, other than the hematomas on my crazy dog's ear, what have you seen it to be most successful with?
I use it a lot for arthritis. I use it a lot for wounds. It's just a fabulous
And I know
thing.
I've heard some of my clients that have come in that you've used it for like spay.
Yes, post-surgical incisions.
Yeah. See, that's fancy. I say spay, post-surgical incisions. That's the surgeon for you.
Right.
And it does help
with the healing. We use it on the teeth for gingivitis.
Oh.
We do have dogs that come in routinely after their non-anesthetic dental. They have bad gingivitis.
Oh, that's a great idea, yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Right now I'm using it on a dog with a severe ear infection. And it's helping with the healing.
And you use it on cats as well?
Yes, cats. Cats don't have as much patience to stay in one place when we do need to take a minute or two of lasering whatever they need to be lasered.
And it's just a handheld laser. We're not talking like a huge apparatus or anything.
Correct.
Yeah.
And it's a red light just to show that it's working. And it causes warmth and heat, and that's all they feel is warmth.
So it doesn't hurt
or
anything like that.
They don't feel anything but the warmth.
That's awesome.
So, yeah.
That's awesome. And acupuncture.
Yes.
That's the other thing.
I do have a doctor who does traditional as well as Chinese medicine, so she does herbs, she does acupuncture. Acupuncture is fantastic.
I need to talk to her for me. I got some issues.
Yeah.
Now, does she come in here or you refer people?
She comes here. She's here on Mondays.
That's awesome.
So yeah, we do have a regular acupuncture patient right now that's, could barely move, and now she's off of medication. She's very minimal limping.
Arthritis, is that a chronic thing that you see that the acupuncture helps with, or what?
Yes,
what
right
conditions
now,
do you see the acupuncture helps with?
Arthritis. We use it for a lot of conditions. Again, she knows more about that. So.
Just to touch on it. I know personally, I've had my dog Bodie has seizures, and I've had them use that for him, and yeah. And he loves it. I mean, Bodie, you touch him, he falls over, he loves it. And then when my dog had lymphoma, we did that to help manage her pain and everything, which I can't even talk about. But yeah, so I've seen its effects, and I'm so excited that you guys do that.
It's fabulous. Yeah.
See, east and west.
Exactly.
It's not just one thing or another. It's both in conjunction with each other.
Right. One helps the other, and
why leave any stones unturned, right?
Exactly.
Because it can't hurt them.
No.
Right.
The natural stuff does not hurt them.
Right. Awesome. Anything else that you want to mention?
I don't think so. Not that I can think of right now.
Well, we'll just have to, do this again when you think of something else. So main takeaways are talk to your veterinarian, go in.
Routine annual exams are important. Have a good assessment of their health status.
Diet, nutrition, and exercise. I mean, it's pretty easy. Yeah. Or not complicated, I should say, anyway. So, anyway, thank you for doing this. I appreciate it so much. And thank you guys. Until next time.
Thank you.
See you later.